Hey guys, what's up? It's Ace coming to you May 13th, 11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I just got done doing my market research for tomorrow's session, and I got a chance to test out a new indicator this evening, and it got me thinking. One of the things about ThinkorSwim is it does come with an allotment of standard indicators here inside of the platform, okay? But I've been using this platform for about 10 years now, and one of the things that I've always found challenging is the fact that even though there's a lot of these indicators that ThinkorSwim builds into the platform, they don't have everything. And obviously, there are indicators out there, both paid and free, that are very good, and they provide different functionality to a trader who may be looking for something a little unique and a little outside of the box, and that's not offered within the standard indicator package of ThinkorSwim. Okay, now of course, every good trader will tell you price action, volume, support and resistance, trend lines. That makes up the major, or should make up the major portion of any trader's technical analysis profile. However, though, I do feel indicators add an extra value. I think they're a great confirmation tool because they do lag price action, but I think that they're definitely valid. They have a place in trading. I use them within my own trading very successfully. And so I wanted to bring to you in this video an opportunity to have a cache of different types of indicators and scans and chart setups, literally, that are all free. That's right, free. I want to bring to you a lot of value here. It's not going to cost you a penny. I have spent the last 10 years sourcing the internet for different places to find free indicators. Not to say paid indicators are bad. That's up to each trader if they want to pay for an indicator or not. But I know there's a lot of traders who want to find free indicators that they can use in their platform. So that's what this video is going to talk about here briefly. So there are 4 websites we're going to talk about. The first one I'm going to drag in over here is called Fun with ThinkorScript. Even though this is 7 years old, guys, these indicators still work in ThinkorSwim. And it's set up in a format where you'll see a message, or a posting, I should say, and then you'll see a code. And this is just a whole bunch of traders who over the years have started this big, long forums string, if you will. And they've just added to it, and certain traders had requested different types of indicators, and the people who know how to program provided it, and all the codes are in there. So you'll see all these different kinds of indicators, and then right below it you'll see the codes that you can copy and paste into ThinkorSwim. So this is a really great resource. Here's the chart code. I've heard of this one before. I think it was based actually off of a trading system in a book, and they went ahead and they coded this, and you see it right here, and there's the code, and so on and so forth. So if you go here, lots of great free indicators, and you can read more about it. The only thing I don't like about this website's format is the fact that you have to scroll down through 86 pages to see what they have to offer. There's no like how shall I say, like a legend or a table of contents or anything where you can reference a certain type of an indicator, or even just, they don't even have it categorized into like each indicator in its own area. Everything's just literally in this one long post. But anyways, grab a beer, grab a cup of coffee, go through it and see if there's something there you like. Once again, this is all free, and resource number 1 for you guys as far as indicators go. Resource number 2, this is coming from this Trader's Journal website. The thing I like about this is that he doesn't have the actual codes in a copy-paste format. He has the shareable links. Now, if you don't know how to use a shareable link with ThinkorSwim, go into Google and type in, how do I use a shareable link in ThinkorSwim? You will come up with the information on how to put these shareable links into your platform, and from there you'll be able to get these indicators. And it's not just indicators, guys. They got chart grids here, chart setups, chart studies, chart strategies. They have, in addition to chart studies, they have scans. Scans are very cool. So like if you wanted to scan for divergence, here we go, MACD bearish divergence, there's the scan link, an RSI bearish divergence, there's a scan link. If you want to scan for earnings, there's the scan link. So there's some really cool stuff on here. You guys who like to use Ichimoku, here's some Ichimoku scans. So they have a lot of the scans here as well. So it's not just indicators that you can import into ThinkorSwim. You can actually import complete chart studies like up here, or scans like down here. And watch list columns, they have watch list columns already pre-built out as well. So there's a lot of really cool stuff here for you guys to check out. Okay, so this is resource number 2. By the way, I will post all of these links in the description below, so make sure to check down there so you can go ahead and get the URLs for these different websites and go check them out yourself. Now here, this is what I would call the granddaddy of the free indicators as far as a website goes. This is from EasyCaters. EasyCaters actually codes ThinkorSwim indicators, and they do charge for it. So you'll see here like is that ThinkorSwim? Well, here's a ThinkorSwim code. Okay, so here's a ThinkorSwim code 199. Okay, here's another one for 199. So you can pay for different ThinkorSwim indicator codes. And they do what they're described here doing. But by the same token, and I do have to give this guy a lot of credit, in addition to selling his product, he has literally created one of the largest just pure databases of shareable links of different types of codes on the internet. And here you go. So he's got scans and scanners. He's got indicators and studies here. All kinds of stuff, an ADX, DMI, MACD all in one, tricks in a histogram. I mean, just really cool stuff. And then he actually has indicators that are like mystery indicators. We don't even know what these things do. We don't know if they're indicators, chart studies, scans, who knows. But they are available. You can load them in your platform and you can check them out and see what they are. I do think this is very cool. Mobius is a legend in the ThinkScript world on ThinkorSwim. If anybody's on ThinkorSwim, you know who Mobius is most likely if you've been on ThinkorSwim any amount of time. And dealing with ThinkScript indicators. And here are a whole bunch of Mobius's indicators, and we don't know what they are, but I can promise you these, if these are from Mobius, they're good. Period. End of story. So you could check these out, load these in your platform, see what they're all about. And then here's some more stuff down here as well. There's kind of mystery. So there's a lot of mystery stuff. And then coming down here, here's more stuff. Watch list columns and chart strategies, chart setups. So just, I mean, like I said, a massive cache of all different types of stuff for ThinkorSwim. And we're not done yet. Here's more scans. So this is a great resource. And once again, I will post this link for you down below with the others. And then last but not least, guys, here is the absolute #1 website to go to for ThinkorSwim indicators. And it is a website called UseThinkScript. This is the absolute best thing there is on the internet for ThinkorSwim indicators, tutorials, strategy guides. This was built by a gentleman named Ben 10. He is a phenomenal trader. I actually know him personally. We've traded together during live market hours. He's really smart, really talented trader. He built this entire community from scratch, and there are literally tens of thousands of messages on this board, thousands of threads. He's got literally thousands of traders that are on this website using it day in and day out. They post a ton of free indicators, 23 pages of free indicators. Yes, that's right, guys. Free indicators. And what I like about this is that each of the indicators has its own home. So if I want to go ahead and, I don't know, I'm looking for an opening range breakout indicator. Here we go. Here it is. And I can go in here and he has the explanation. He has the code in here. He'll have screenshots of what the indicator looks like. And by the way, guys, this is Ben 10. So he does post, obviously, this is his site. He posts on here all the time. If you do happen to go ahead and join in for free and register, get a free account, and you happen to see him posting in there, just say hi to him and thank him, because it takes a lot of time to do what he's done here. And he's done all this for free for the community of traders on ThinkorSwim. So anyways, very cool stuff. Let's just go back over here real quick. You'll see he's got tutorials as well. How to receive ThinkorSwim alerts, notifications via phone, and all kinds of stuff in here. And everybody's really contributing. It's not just Ben, but all these traders are contributing their knowledge on ThinkorSwim and the ThinkScript as well different strategy guides are in here and stuff, all kinds of cool stuff. Okay. Now guys, I did want to let you know there is, if you're interested, a VIP section. The VIP section gets you premium indicators. These are indicators you can't find anywhere else. And by the way, real quick, timeout, full disclosure, I'm not getting a penny for this. I don't get paid for this. I'm just sharing knowledge with you guys. I do happen to know his indicators are absolutely incredible. The traders who use them rave about them, and they've made a lot of money from them. He came up with the Advanced Market Moves 2.0, the Buy the Dip indicator. Very cool stuff. He has a private chat room on Discord for the people who join his premium membership, and then here's some feedback from the people who are actually with him in the premium side of things. $149 a year. I think that comes out to $12 a month, and you get all of this for that, and you get the premium indicators as well. If you don't want to pay for anything, you don't have to. Like I said, he has that entire area for free right here with all these free indicators, 23 pages of them. So anyways, this is the absolute #1 resource on the internet for ThinkorSwim indicators is UseThinkScript. By all means, check it out, create your free account. Check out all the great free indicators he has, all the great free information Ben has on here, tutorial strategy guides, questions and answers, all kinds of stuff. Very cool. Guys, that's going to call it for the video. I will post once again all of these URL links down in the description. Do me a favor, please leave a comment down below. Let me know if this helped you out. I'm always trying to bring you guys knowledge and try to bring you guys resources and things to help you in your trading journey. I really appreciate you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. More great content coming out soon, and click that alarm bell so you do get notified when I'm putting content up. And please smash that like button for me so this video gets out there to everybody who can use it. Okay, have a great night, guys. Trade well. Talk to you soon.